the Lumberjack electric hair trimmer by Happy Nuts. This is a really great item right here. It's very nicely made. You could see the quality just by holding this in your hand right here. It's made really well. It's got the USB-C charger at the bottom here. It does come with the cord to charge. You just need your charging block. And then it opens up really nice and easy, just like this. If you're going to change out the head, put on the nose trimmer, or to clean it, you can run this underwater to clean it. And it just works really well cleaning it that way. This is the power on right here. Power's on really nice and easy. I like how the green light illuminates on there. This is a really long battery life. It lasts about 90 minutes per charge, so you're not have to charge it up all the time. And what I really like about these blades right here is these are 3 sizes in one. You can see in the bottom here. There's the 1, 3, and 5 millimeter guard. And then this is the 7, 9, and 11 millimeter guard. What I liked about that is you don't have to have all these blades. I had a previous one of these trimmers where I had a whole bag of blades where I was only using like one of them, and I had to store them all, and it was just, this is just a much better, cleaner setup here. This is the brush that comes with. You could brush it out just like this here. Brush is real easy, and I like how this is the skin safe blade right here. It's not going to cut you, nick, pull, tug, snag, things like that. Just really, this is made with your skin in mind to make sure you're not going to be getting any nicks and cuts and things like that. Very precise trimming. It's got a nice quiet motor, and overall this is just a really great product. This Lumberjack by Happy Nuts is a really great trimmer here. Highly recommend picking one of these up. It's a really great product.